Of white on the fields of green, before the sacred ground of Saint Marceline, shoulder to shoulder to realize a dream, painting a picture of the life we live, from the faraway mountains to the nearby hills, from the islands and valleys to the city streets. We came, we learned, and returned fulfilled, with a newfound spirit burning deep within. Higher, making us stronger. Red fire, red fire. Ooh, bordered in faith, its teachings and rules. A brotherhood born strong and true. From the house of Lambert, courtiers in blue, Augustine and Alphonsus come shining through. For when I leave, I'm never gone. Strangers met once, a brotherhood born. The Marist flames burns when we move on. A school of men, both great and small. And we're thrilled and we're powered by the red fire. Red fire. Yes, we're living and we're breathing on red fire. Red fire. Lifting us higher, making us stronger. Red fire.
Everybody with the red fire spirits, everybody else gonna feel it. When they're on the track, see the boys going mad. Put them on the field, competition looking bad. Generations to wave that flag. Marist,
Never gonna give up, never gonna stop, never flop till we reach the very top.